How to complete KYC on Koinpark. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. First, head to the Koinpark website and click on the dashboard. Then, find the KYC verification section and tap the Not Verified button. Start by entering your Aadhar number and hit Submit. You'll now receive an OTP on the mobile number linked with your Aadhar. Enter the OTP in the field provided and click Submit once again. Now, it's time to enter your PAN number and click Submit. If everything checks out, you'll see a message saying, "Your PAN has been verified successfully." Once that's done, continue by clicking the Start the Verification Call button. Your call will now be scheduled with our KYC expert, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the instructions carefully, then click Join Now. When you're connected, the expert will ask you to show your Aadhar and PAN. Follow their guidance to complete the process smoothly. And finally, once your KYC is verified, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. That's it. Your KYC on Koinpark is now complete.